Ramokgopa uphekwe ngemibuzo ehlukene amalungu omkhandlu wazivumela ngokwakhe ukuthi uhlelo lokucisha konga ugesi luzoshaya kuzwele emnothweni wakuleli luphinde liholele ekulahlekeni kwemisebenzi.
The South African Reserve Bank projects that just one stage of unmet demand translates into 300 billion rand lost on the South African economy and a contraction of about 5% in GDP. We know that in 2022 we lost upwards of 650,000 jobs as a result of load shedding, and the projection is that at the current rate of load shedding we are on course to lose about 850,000 plus jobs.
Uthi ukuvalwa kweziphehli zamalahle kuzomiswa kancane ngoba lokho kuzoholela ekutheni izwe lihlale ebumnyameni uma kwenziwa ngokusheshsha.
Coal contributes about 80% of generation, so it's indispensable to the resolution of the energy crisis in the country. The current efficiency levels of these plants is sitting at 53%. And the ESCOM board has approved a strategy that intends to improve the performance of this installed capacity in the current financial year to 60%.
Ramokgopa uthi umnyango wakhe usebenzisana ngokubambisana nomnyango wezamandla kanye nowezinkampani ezingamabhizinisi kahulumeni kule nkinga kagesi. Uthi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa usazocacisa kahle ukuthi umnyango nomnyango ubamba liphi iqhaza ukuze kungabibikho ukushayisana.
And the president will, as and when he deems it fit, makes those determination. I'm not the one to prescribe to the president on whether this or that entity should report to me. The president will make that determination as he sees it fit.
Uthi kuzosetshenziswa imali elinganiselwa ku-30 billion rand ukuthenga udizili.